There we go then, the reason you absolutely should be bullish on XRP. And if you think $1 is just the end, well, guess what? There is a significant amount of upside to come. And why? We're going to break down some key things for you in this video. Analysts predicting a massive move post 11 years, a big interview for Brad Garlinghouse, and which altcoins, there might be a guess in the title, were institutions buying this week. All of that in this video. And if you're bullish on XRP and want to stay ahead of everyone else in the game, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And with that being said, get into the video. So for many people, XRP has been one of those labors of love. Lots of people saying it was going nowhere. And then all of a sudden, with the news of a Trump victory and a potential resignation coming for Gary Gensler, XRP is finally doing what we all thought it would. In fact, we've been talking about it on this channel since about 40 cents, expecting a significant move. But analysts are now predicting an 11-year super cycle is coming to the end, and an ultimate surge to $3.40 is imminent. Now, we'll take a look at some reasons as to why, and more importantly, they'll look at the chart. However, it says here, super cycle to trigger a $3.40 surge. Skyrexio, a TradingView crypto analyst, has released an XRP price analysis forecasting a potential increase to $3.40. Chart analysis Skyrexio disclosed XRP has recently broken out of its 4-year consolidation period, potentially signaling the start of a bullish uptrend. And actually, just the wider cryptocurrency market, we have absolutely seen this. And again, XRP is, well, it's ahead of the market. We've seen a number of times XRP has been outperforming Bitcoin as well as many other altcoins. It says notably Skyrexio's bullish forecast on XRP price relies on the Elliott wave theory, a technical indicator that predicts price movements of an asset by identifying recurrent long-term price patterns. And the important thing here is, while all the time people were telling us XRP is going to do nothing, you should probably get rid of it, it was all part of the plan. And we can now see where that gets to. And I still stand by this. And if you follow my suit and you've been following this channel, we pretty much predicted everything going right for XRP. I still think this gets thrown out. I still think if this is still lingering at the point in which Trump becomes the new and the 47th president, I think this gets thrown out. I think the minute Gary Gensler gets thrown out, the XRP case goes away. And I think XRP absolutely skyrockets. That's why we're starting to see Brad, again, liaising with other people, having sit downs here with the Hedera co-founder, talking about everything to do with blockchain, how it relates to businesses. Don't forget Hedera potentially partnering up with SpaceX, which is huge, another big company getting involved in the cryptocurrency markets. But seated here with Lehman Baird, the Hedera co-founder, discussed the future of Ripple and Hedera partnership. Well, imagine what that would look like. You have the XRPL and you have the Hedera Foundation Fund, which is massive. These could be two huge catalysts in the global payment structure and how that all builds out. Super important. Now, you only have to look at what's going on behind all of this to truly understand how big the deal actually is. In fact, institutional investment is a key part with Bitcoin right now. We know options trading is coming available for ETFs as well. But look at this. We can see here that the flow of assets on the week, month, and year, well, XRP performing incredibly well, only second or third to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Again, all positive though over the course of the last week and month, over $4.9 million, which is pretty crazy to think about. Again, outperforming Litecoin, outperforming many other assets, which is super key and important how it goes. Once again, we are seeing more interest in the SEC case, especially when these ETF filings come in. October, Bitwise's XRP ETF filing with the SEC. Bitwise states the biggest risk is the factor that's built in is the buyers of the ETF would be the SEC itself. The part that the S1 might have to be amended fairly soon, i.e. if this goes through, they may have to change this. But again, this shows you the determination and in my view, the complete narrative shift right now, where before we thought XRP was going to get, well, bullied out of existence. It feels that it's very much the other way around. And finally, this is the chart analysis that a lot of people could predict an even bigger surge of well over 500%. Again, following this very obvious pattern. We've talked about the W pattern on many a charts and equally in my live streams when we've been looking at Bitcoin price. Well, guess what? XRP doing exactly the same. But what's important here is it's doing it at such a higher price point. This gives us a significant upside and again, further momentum to the north. Remember, we just broke the all-time high for the global market cap and altcoins are still yet to move. Yes, we saw XRP move. Yes, we've seen meme coins move, but there is still a huge narrative to come and significantly more upside if you ask me. You only have to take a look at what's going on my chart here on the 12 hours. And interesting enough, while recording this video, Bitcoin looking like it's trying to break out along with many altcoins again, XRP outperforming the market, up 2% already. Again, BTC just under that $91,000 mark. So this is incredibly bullish for the wider market, for XRP. And in my opinion, I think we've got some significant upside to come. I actually think, and I stand by this statement, and I've been talking about this now for probably 12 months, I think XRP is going to shock many people. All those that thought it was going nowhere, I think are going to eat some humble pie, and I think they're going to be eating it pretty soon, if you ask me. Lots of things coming on. There feels like there's good news every single day when it comes to XRP. Get ready for the SEC case to go, and a potential resignation from Gary Gensler this week could see us rocket up to $2 relatively quicker when it comes to the price of XRP. So if that's something like the sound of and you're bullish, smash up that like button to a brand new all-time high, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. That keeps you up to date. All the latest going on in this bull market. You simply cannot afford not to. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.